I still remember the morning I filmed my first vlog. My heart racing, hands slightly shaking, and an excitement so pure that even the winter fog couldn't hide it. I had dreamed of becoming a content creator for years, but living in a small village meant I didn't have the fancy setups, ring lights, aesthetic cafes, or trending locations other vloggers showed online. What I did have was a village full of stories, colors, and people who smiled with their whole hearts. My name is Aisha, a 19-year-old girl from a quiet rural village surrounded by wheat fields and tall date palms. For a long time, I believed nothing in my life was interesting enough to share. But one day, while watching another travel vlogger online, something clicked inside me. My village could be someone else's dream destination. Maybe someone out there wanted to see the sunsets behind our fields, hear the laughter of children, or witness the simplicity of life here. Maybe my world wasn't boring. Maybe I was just too used to it to see its beauty. So on that foggy morning, I decided to begin. Number 1. The beginning of a dream. The sun had barely climbed above the horizon when I stepped out of the house, my old second-hand smartphone in hand. My younger brother, Hamza, yawned lazily on the charpai, woven bed placed in the courtyard. Didi, are you really going to record? He asked, rubbing his eyes. Yes, I said with a nervous smile. Today is the day. He grinned. Make sure you don't drop the phone again. I rolled my eyes. That was one time. Twice, he corrected. I took a deep breath. It wasn't just about the vlog. It was about confidence, stepping into something new, telling the world, I exist and my story matters. I tapped the record button. Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Aisha and today I'm filming my very first vlog from my village. My voice trembled slightly, but the moment the words left my mouth, something lit up inside me. This was real. This was happening. Number 2. The village wakes up. As I walked outside, the camera captured everything. The dew sitting gently on the leaves, the soft mist hugging the fields, and the distant sound of a rooster announcing the day. The narrow, muddy path leading out of our house slowly filled with villagers heading toward their morning routines. Women carried metal pots, men adjusted their turbans, and children ran barefoot across the lane laughing. I turned the camera toward the fields. This is where my father works, I narrated. Every morning he comes here before sunrise. Golden wheat swayed in the cold breeze like a slow-moving sea. Farmers bent over the ground, their hands practiced and steady. Every time I saw them, I was reminded of how much love and effort went into every grain we ate. Suddenly, a voice called from behind. Aisha beti? I turned to find Uncle Bashir carrying a bundle of fresh spinach on his shoulder. You and your camera, he chuckled. What are you up to? I'm making a vlog, I said, a little shy. Good, he said proudly. Show the world our village. Show them we live with dignity. His words filled me with warmth. People here didn't know much about vlogging, but they always appreciated honesty and effort. I filmed the small irrigation canal, the buffaloes standing in their sheds, and a group of women grinding wheat using traditional stone mills. They laughed when they saw the camera. Make sure you show our grinding skills, one of them said. I will, I promised. Number 3. The heart of the village. To make the vlog more engaging, I decided to take my viewers into the busiest area of the village, the bazaar. The bazaar wasn't big, just a narrow street lined with small wooden shops. But the energy was unmatched. The moment I walked in, the camera captured chaos and charm. Shopkeepers shouting prices, bicycles ringing their bells, and kids chasing a stray dog. This is our main bazaar, I explained to the camera. You can find everything here: tea, clothes, vegetables, shoes, even mobile repair. As I passed by Rahman Tea House, the smell of fresh parathas and sizzling chai filled the air. Rahman uncle waved. Beti, vloggers ko chai free. I laughed and pointed the camera at him. Everyone, this is Rahman uncle. He makes the best chai in the village. He placed a glass of steaming tea in front of me. Take this. If you become famous one day, don't forget us, I said. honestly. While sipping tea, I recorded the bazaar more closely. The colorful dupattas hanging outside the clothes shop,